SAR, or commonly referred as Subject Access Request, is the process where individuals have the right to access and receive a copy of their personal data and other supplementary information a company is withholding. The requested information is then provided in an accessible, concise, and intelligible format. The SAR tool helps an organization to centrally manage all the SAR queries quickly and effectively and streamline the process from end to end while storing all evidence. The SAR tool consists of 4 users, namely of admin, requester, task manager, and a legal team user. The dashboard screen shows overall analytics of the SAR tool. Total number of users and the current statistics of the requests are the key features which can be viewed via the dashboard. In the requests screen, you can view the list of requests along with their status and other information such as their request ID, email ID, etc. The request screens display the details of any request. The details include key information such as that of the data of subject name, requester's address, attached documents, among others. The Documents tab shows all the documents that have been submitted by the requester. The request details have different subsections such as those for legal team, for basic details, and for requester as well. These are crucial details for the requester in order to evaluate the request. All in all, the SAR tool is an end-to-end product that provides simplified and streamlined operations along with eliminating any sorts of compatibility or integration issues. Thank you for watching this video.